Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to log into FxPro easily. FxPro provides a web-based login system called FxPro Direct where you can manage your trading account deposits, withdrawals and settings. You do not need to install anything, just a browser and your login details. But first, open any of the web browser you prefer, and in the top there's an address bar. Type on fxpro.com and enter it. And once you get into this interface of FxPro.com, in the top right corner we'll find this register login. Click onto this login over here beside it. And over here you need to enter your email and your password. Here as well, simply type down your email and your password. And if you have forgotten your password, you can simply click onto this forgot as well. And after you're done with it, you can click onto this login. That is it. Logging into FxPro on PC is simple. Open the website, please log in, enter your email and your password, and access your dashboard. And once logged in, you can manage trades, funds and settings easily. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.